heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, there's a teacher who had a child, 3 months old. She came at night along with the husband. She brought tea for us. The child is in the car. And she still came. She still came. But what does the government do? The government does not know because they are sitting there. They don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, you are sitting there. Why are you not speaking? The names that I've already taken, why are you not speaking? Why are you not speaking? Because you are afraid of the next election. Election will come and go. But the human soul, once it goes, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart, it will not play games anymore. We are tired of games. We are tired of games.
Hatungi donut hadukano. Ban jauh uman. Habayo iya kinong hikay. Kibala hikay ya kaburam ka akor. Kibala penang penstan. Kibala sumar sukher ya kikon kijongi. Bakin jauh umat kumni. Lada kimat sisya ya kijing Kin su'e no si ya kaying kasem. Ya laki kon kikti. Balik dia hasurok kumni. Kaladay ka por bangi kum kipajba. In pen paulang kasur siya kasurkar. Kabayo dia habapet. Kabak kelut habas ngam. Bat ka bom yoi. Wala ka pet. Kenang bakan pejman sendon. Yipdiang soba ya pibarok parolok parajor sasisin saka simple life story. Kalong ka jingle ranya ka sorkar MDA banyo iya kinohikai kibade ban lek school bat syong aram haying haka syuti liur jongki. Penban na lor bakila tracy tomban penang penstat ya ki kena bat ki samlah. Kibadai ka lawai jong ka ri bat ka jaj penreu. Kibadai ki kon jong ngajong pi. Menta ki haban lek syong lektia bat pensitom yalade hasurok naga menta bandawa yalaga hok naga sorkar. Kine kinong hikai ada sus ngap mangiki reu madan kidawaya ka balak banlong namar haka juk menta balak keudor lut kimar kimata bat ka bailaj baywan klempep don kam ban penkiu ya ka tulok jongki ka jingkeli ka bami menta kalong balai ka sorkar kamla ban aya ka jingdawa jongki ni kipaj ba angi donhok ban yo jingtip ya kani lada pi ka sorkar pis ngeu baka jingdawa jongki no hikai kadai ka bom syong nung rim keren sai baik se balai bisukurar kai yakino hikai ki bapri ba preston pi ong penban bakala bandon ai salandan atau pi perkat baki nong hikai ki dai ki babon sertap kum ki politician lane kumpi ni saki baki nong hikai school ki dai ki balului sida bat sisur namar ki haban im ya ka ka baki hikai ya ki kena school naduk ka burom ka akor kayat kayeng ka imhok imsot bat kumta der kumne pinot ban keno yakinong hikai kumne kabakam penbitar syuk yang ikipaj ba banyo iya chief minister ubale kumbom penai yakan nika jing yaki kinong hikai banaba ulej ban yakan doru ulej ban yakan du tang bat kinong hikai kibayaki haturah ikemba umdan jingkit krei yakibayaki padawa yala kahok haselong banyo iya breu ubabat kat ya kekerdan chief minister ka jela ba un penpau yang kumne kalong ka ka bang ngiki pajba ngimla ban pediang satya hato bidai chief minister tangjong karilom karosi ba pilai ban ya kendo tang yaki hato bindai chief minister karilom kasi jantia kini kiting shop minister jong pi kim don bor bat kim not ban ai ya ka bakino higa kidawa namar ka pelapisa pibadi bala ito baki day tangkit tenghung jong pi kiba sawa ada pi keren nakata daw ko ba Konrad wan no sya selong khot ya kinong hikai ban ya keren skutu ni ki ba ngim la sya ban yo i ba kinong hikai kin thia hasurok kumne kubla ya pi ki paralok ki parajor ada pi don ka jingkit klik bat pi ngau senai ya kinong hikai kiba thia bat syong hasurok kiba jau umat bat yam na ka mentaka jingla kuman ka sorkar share ya kan ika video tatah do bakan dapo ya ka tendong skor jong ka sorkar kenang baki nong hikai kin yo no ya laka hok baki dawa na kan ika channel simple life story ikit bokit ruyang yap hi kinong hikai ba pindo na ka jingkot jingkhia bat ni duai na ka menta jong pi ba ublay un play ya ka download jong kinong ya lam jongi ba pin yo no ya ka ka ba pi dawa di tatah do begini asyam biang ha ka wei pat ka video ku blay sibon